In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your money on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to expect, whether you're on a computer or a phone, so you can quickly confirm your balance with confidence. First, open PayPal in your browser or the official app. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in securely. Make sure you're on the genuine PayPal website or app and avoid using links from unexpected emails or messages. Once you're in, you're essentially looking for the Money, Home, or Wallet sections. These are where your balance details live. There are two simple ways to check your money. The first way is from the Home view. After you sign in, you'll typically land on the home page. Look for a card or section labeled PayPal Balance or Available. This shows the amount you can use right away. If you hold multiple currencies, you may see a breakdown or a way to view each currency separately. Home also often shows a snapshot of recent activity, which can help you confirm whether a payment just arrived or if a refund posted. If something seems delayed, a quick refresh or a moment's wait can help, as payments sometimes take a bit to update. The second way is through your wallet. Click or tap Wallet from the main navigation. Wallet gives you a clean overview of your PayPal balance alongside any linked payment methods. This view is great if you want to verify the available amount while also seeing what cards or bank accounts are connected. If your account supports multiple currencies, Wallet may list each one so you can tell exactly how much you have in each currency at a glance. If any funds are on hold or pending, PayPal will usually flag that directly in these sections, and those amounts won't be included in the available total until they clear. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Interfaces can vary slightly by region or account type, so the wording you see might be balance, available, or money. If you don't see a PayPal balance at all, it may be because your account type or country doesn't hold funds and instead uses your linked payment methods at checkout. And if you're ever unsure about a figure, checking for currency labels and any pending notices will clarify what's ready to use. That's it. Go to PayPal, then check your balance on Home or in Wallet. Simple, clear, and fast.